Friends, Namaskar to everyone. So I hope all are doing very well. So welcome to you all in Simla, the Queen of Seven Hills in Devbhoomi, Himachal Pradesh, which is famous for its natural beauty, architecture, buildings, wooden crafts, and apples. So the name Simla is true to come from the word Siamla, which means blue house, which may refer to a house built from blue slate on Jaku Hills by a fakir. And another theory is that the name Simla comes from Samla, which means blue goddess, which is the another name of goddess Kali. सो आप सभी को दिल से नमस्कार। देवभूमि हिमाचल प्रदेश के पर्वतों की रानी शिमला में आप सभी का स्वागत है, जो कि अपने दर्शनीय सौंदर्य, सेब और लकड़ी के शिल्प के लिए मशहूर है। शिमला का नाम श्यामला से लिया गया है, जिसका मतलब होता है नीला घर, और एक अन्य सिद्धांत है कि यह श्यामला से आया है, जिसका अर्थ है नीली गॉडेज काली, और यह देवी काली का दूसरा रूप है। So I am going to explain more about the Simla. So first, I hope all are doing very well. So Simla, which is famous for its natural beauty, colonial architecture, and adventurous activities. So Simla. Simla, which is called as Queens of Seven Hills for its scenic views of snow-capped peaks, forest, waterfalls, apples, orchards. So Simla, which is also famous for variety of activities including the trekking to the Jaku temple, mountain biking, and ice skating. So Simla has another many attractions including the State Museum, the Kalka Simla railway line, the Tara Devi temple, Jaku temple, Viceregal Lodge, Ridge Simla, Christ Church, आर्मी हेरिटेज म्यूजियम, कुफरी, बेंटोनी कैस्टल, हिमाचल प्रदेश स्टेट म्यूजियम, गेटरी हेरिटेज कल्चरल कम्प्लेक्स, कैनरी पैलेस, एंड जॉन्स वैक्स म्यूजियम, समर हिल, एंड एनाडेल, विच इज़ क्वाइट पॉपुलर इन हिमाचल प्रदेश इन शिमला. So it's very quite popular place, and we have to visit once in our life. So also we know very well about the Ridge. The Ridge is the hub of all cultural activities of Simla, which is situated along the Mall Road, which is the house shopping center of Simla. So most famous and major places in Simla like Sanjauli, Snowdown, Mall Road, Jaku Temple, Kalibari Temple, Enadale, etc. are connected through the Mall Road and Ridge. So the Ridge is a symbol of Simla and historical and cultural heritage. It's home to the British era landmarks including the Gaiety Theatre, where the Rudyard Kipling, Prithviraj Chauhan, and Balraj Sahni once performed here. So the ridge offers breathing view of snow-capped mountain ranges. The ridge is lined with the shops like caves, bars, and boutiques. It's also connected with the Lakkar Bazaar, Simla's famous wooden craft market. So cars are not allowed on the ridge, making it an ideal place for an evening walk. So Christ Church, which a neo-Gothic structure built in 1850 with intricate stained glass window. So Tudor Baton style library built in 1980, which is also quite popular in Simla. So really it's a very great place for us. And now comes on again Simla. So the town of Simla is built over several hills and connecting ridges, and the important hills are Jaku Hills, which is the highest peak in Simla, Prospect Hills, Observatory Hills, Elysium Hills, and Summer Hills. These are the 7 hills of Simla. So Jaku Hills is the highest point in Simla, standing at 8,051 feet, which is home to a famous temple dedicated to Lord Hanuman as a Jaku temple. So Simla is built over Shivalik range of Himalaya range with Kalka Simla Railway, Mountain Railway of India, which is the youngest and the outermost range, featuring low altitude foothills of Himalaya. So the Himalayas mountain range is divided into 4 types based on the geographical characteristics. So first region is the Trans Himalaya, and second one is the Lesser Himalaya, Greater Himalaya, Shivalik Hills, that is a outer Himalaya. So Lesser Himalayas, which is also called as the Himachal, and Greater Himalayas means Himadri. So the Himalayas are field mountain range formed by the collision of the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plate began to 50 million years ago from Gondwana land. So in 1819, Lieutenant Rose, an assistant political agent, built a model wood cottage, the first British residence in Simla. So in 1822, Charles Pratt Henry, a Scottish civil servant, built the first permanent home in Simla. He named Henry Palace Still, which is historical place in Simla. So the Simla back to the 19th century when it was founded by the British in the 1819 year after the Gorkha War, when it was more popular for the temples of Hindu goddess Shyamala Devi, which is a form of the goddess Kali. So definitely it's a very good place for us, and you can see right now the Christ Church, which is also visible from the here, which is very ancient church. So really, and even then up at the time, the Sir John Lawrence, the Viceroy of India, made Simla the summer capital of British India at that time. So after gain, the church was built in the new Gothic style in 1857 to serve the largely Anglican British community, and the architecture who built the church in Simla was a Colonel John Theophilus Boley, who was an astronomer and a gifted architecture at that time, who designed this church. So along with this church, there are also 5 statues on the ridge, which is quite popular. That of Mahatma Gandhi a statue, Indira Gandhi a statue, Dr. Y.S. Parman, the first Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh a statue, Lieutenant General Daulat Singh a statue, and recently established the statue of Atal Bihari Vajpayee also here. So I am going to visit each and every statue which is quite popular in Himachal Pradesh in Simla. So let's see the view of this church right now, which is looking so unique church right now. So let's see the view of the atmosphere of the Simla. Really it's looking so beautiful at the time. We can see the weather, the view of and designs of the homes and architecture. Really is very looking so unique at this time. So I don't have any words that I can describe it in my own language and words, but I am trying to explain very well regarding the places and words about the Simla. So it is a very grateful place. So already I decided, like in Simla, like Himachal Pradesh separated from the Punjab and got the complete state status in 1971, and when it's that time Simla became the capital of Punjab, and even the Simla is the summer capital of the Himachal Pradesh right now, and the Dharamsala, which is located in Kangra district, which is also called as the summer capital of Himachal Pradesh. So that is also one of the biggest city of Himachal Pradesh, which is located in Kangra, because Dalai Lama temple is also located in Kangra, where Dalai Lama used to stay there, who is a Tibetan Buddhist monk who were staying there. So really now let's see the view of our national flag, which is visible from the here clearly. We can see the view. So right now I'm going to explain about the Indian national flag. So Pingali Bankaya designed the national Indian flag in 1921, and the flag was adopted by the Constitution of India on July 22 in 1947. So the flag is a tricolor of saffron, white and green. So the flag has an aspect ratio of 3:2 ratio. So the flag has the Ashok Chakra at the center, and the Ashok Chakra is a wheel with 24 spokes, which is there is another meanings of the all 24 spokes. So the flag represent the unity of the nation, and saffron, which represent courage, white represent truth and purity, and green represent the life, abundance and prosperity, which is to unite our nation in one form. So this is all about the Indian national flag. Still I am going to repeat that Indian national flag was designed by the Pingali Venkataya, which was a great designer of Indian national flag and also one of the social activities during the independence movement along with the Mahatma Gandhi. So this is all about the Pingali Venkataya and our Indian national flag. So let's see the view of the Shimla, which is clearly visual from the here. Really is looking so scenic view is there, and in the winter season this places Mall Road and the ridge is fully covered by the heavy snowfall. So it is a great moment, and one day definitely I will see the also. Right now even it is also extremely cold here we are getting here, and from last 1 week I am here in Simla and exploring lots of places in Simla. So let's see the view again from the, we can see the view, our Indian national flag. Salute to our Indian national flag. Bande Mataram, Jai Mata Di, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. So it is a very great moment for me, and I am also feeling so awesome here. So I don't have any explanation in words. How can I define and describe the Simla and our national flag in a single word? So it's very tough, but I am trying to describe very well. So really it's a wonder moment, and I'm also planning to visit Simla. After that I'm also planning to visit Manali and Kullu as well, and then I'm planning to visit Dharamsala in Kangra, because in Dharamsala, which is also popular for Dalai Lama temple, where Dalai Lama who is staying there in Tibetan refugee. And in Kangra there is also one of the two temples which is quite popular there, that is one of the Shakti Peeth of India in Dharamsala. One is the Chamunda Devi temple and second one is the Jwalamukhi temple. Right now let's see, this is the statue of the Dr. Yashwant Singh Parmar, who was a first chief minister of Himachal Pradesh. So Yashwant Singh Parmar, who was a Indian politician, a leader of from Indian National Congress and the first chief minister of Himachal Pradesh. So Yashwant Singh Parmar is also considered to be the founder and father of Himachal Pradesh. So Yashwant Singh Parmar is helped as the architect, the founder or creator of the Himachal Pradesh, as in India Himachal Pradesh Nirmata. So who was a very great politician from Himachal Pradesh. So really let's see the statue of Himachal Pradesh founder Dr. Yashwant Singh Parmar, and behind this Yashwant Singh Parmar statue there is so many statue which is located there. Indira Gandhi statue is there, and the Atal Bihari Vajpayee statue is there, Mahatma Gandhi statue is there. So right now I just came in front of the Indira Gandhi statue. So Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi, who was an Indian politician and states who served as the Prime Minister of India from 1966 to 1977 and again from 1918 until her assassination in 1984. So she was India's first and to date only one female Prime Minister of India at that time. So she was the daughter of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister of India, and the mother of Rajiv Gandhi, who was the youngest Prime Minister of India. So Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi cumulative tenure of 15 years and 350 days marks her the second longest serving Prime Minister of India after her father Jawaharlal Nehru, who served as the longest serving Prime Minister of India for 16 years and few days. So Henry Kissinger described her as an. So right now let's see, I just came in front of the Atal Bihari Vajpayee statue. So I am going to explain about the Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who was an Indian politician, a statesman and poet who served as the third time Prime Minister of India. First terms he served for 13 days, second terms he served for 13 months, and followed by a full term from 1919 to 2004. He was the first non-Congress Prime Minister to serve a full terms in President in India in office. So Vajpayee was a co-founder and a senior leader of Bharatiya Janata Party, who awarded highest civilian award Bharat Ratna in 2015 and Padma Vibhushan award. His samadhi is located in Delhi as a Sadaiv Atal. So he was a very great and legendary person. So right now I am just in front of the Left General Dollar Sin statue. So I am going to explain about the Shahid Lieutenant General Sin Daulat statue, who was a general officer, commander in chief, western commander when he was killed in the and sacrificed his life in 1963 in Poonch, which is located in Jammu area where Indian Air Force helicopter crashed. His battles was World War II and Indo-Pakistan War of 1947 and Indo-Sino-Indian War as well, who participated in that. So really our the Lieutenant General Dollar Sin, who was also a very great personalities in our countries, who sacrificed his life in 1963 in Poonch in Indian Air Force base office in plane crash, helicopter crash. So this is all about him. Salute to the Lieutenant Dollar Sin. So right now let's see the view. It is raining here, so it's looking so amazing and so unique in the rain, heavy rainfall here. So please like my video and don't forget to like and subscribe. So I am coming very soon in another next video. So for this time, thank you so much. Once again, thank you so much.